students, hope so you are good. Today's our topic is colors name. Let's start. First of all, our color is green. G R E E N. Green मने हरा. ह र को आ की मात्रा. Next one is violet. Violet माने बैंगनी. V O I L E T. Violet. Violet माने बैंगनी. Next one is blue color. Blue माने नीला. B L U E. Blue. Blue माने नीला. Our next color is orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Orange माने संतरी. Our next color is sky blue color. S K Y B L U E. Sky blue. Sky blue माने आसमानी. ये रंग आसमान जैसा होता है तो इसका नाम है आसमानी. Our next color is black. B L A C K. Black. Black माने काला. Our next color is very most popular red color. It's a very attractive color. Red माने लाल. Our next color is brown. B R O W N. Brown. Brown माने भूरा. Here we are closing.